Hi, today we're going to get into some Christmas themed woodworking projects and crafts that you can use to decorate your home or maybe use to make some side hustle cash for some extra Christmas spending. First up on our list, Christmas tree candle holders. Very simple rectangular block of wood, some trapezoid type pieces glued on top of each other with one on top. You have a lot of options to do something on your own with this. You can paint it votive candle instead of a tea light, stain them. Maybe you can paint some ornaments on it. A lot of options here. Completely made all out of scrap wood. Number two, ornaments. Here I got Mr. Claus and Mr. Frosty. Just some blocks of wood, rectangular, cut a 45 for the hat. Made a rounded piece on the belt sander for the top of the hat, the brim, as you can see. Kind of jacked this mustache up a little bit on my belt sander. I'm sure you could do better. Same thing with the nose here, a little carrot, and then just some creative spray painting, really, with some painter's tape so I can get the lines across for the beard. You can really do this, let your imagination run wild. You can maybe use a cotton ball, take some of this cotton with some hairspray to make the mustache look real. I mean, a lot of options here if you just let your imagination run wild with you. Another Christmas tree. It's just got a backer, okay? Again, with the 45-degree cuts, kind of this elongated trapezoid piece, make a shorter one, and then on the top, the triangle. Really easy to do on the miter saw. The base is just the, I guess you'd call that the spiral. So it'll stand up straight. Easy peasy. 3 snowman scene. You could do this out of 2x4s. I work a lot with 1-inch stock in my shop, so I used a lot of that. I have a lot of scrap wood for that. But 2x4s work great too. Again, just like the ornament, painter's tape, do some creative painting. You can certainly do better on the face that I did with a Sharpie. I did not do very well on that. The nose, just a piece of scrap wood that I fashioned on my belt sander. Really easy to do. Again, use your imagination. There's a lot of different ways to go with this that you can kind of make this unique. Christmas tree scene, all right? I obviously didn't finish it. You could make some smaller ones of these to put here, make it a little Christmas scene. Maybe have someone paint Merry Christmas on the front. Other holiday greetings. A lot to do with this. Or you could make one of these and then let your kids paint it to have fun with it. They might enjoy that. Or have them paint the trees and then glue them on. And finally, we have the reindeer. Block of 4x4. I think this was an old fence post I had in my backyard. I fashioned a nose out of a scrap piece of wood. You can certainly do better on the eyes. I think I cut out some Cricut paper because it was sticky on the back to use that. And then I think the creme de la creme for this piece is the antlers, which are just obviously some twigs from a tree. Gives it a real cute little look. My daughter stole this out of the garage before I made this video because she wanted it so bad I had to go on an operation to retrieve it so I could finish this. Very easy to make, and I guarantee people will love it.